Hello. In this video, I want to create a compartment, right? And group. I'm going to create like two groups, and also I'm going to create users and assign those users to their respective groups. And lastly, I'm going to create policies, right? So let's just get into it. So, to create compartment, I'm going to come to identity and security, and I'm going to come to compartment. So I'll click on create compartment. So the name of the compartment that I'm going to create will be networking security, networking resource. So, and I have to give the description, because if I click on create compartment, it's not going to allow me. So I have to put the description. So this compartment will be used to organize the network resource in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, right? So, so I'm going to create the compartment. Okay, I'm going to create another one. Click on create compartment. This other compartment will be cloud compute resource, compute resource, or compute resources rather. So paste. And this compartment will be used to organize the compute resources in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So I need to put the description, paste, create. So I have my compartment created. So let me reload. So I have the two compartments. So the next thing I need to do now is to create the group, right? To create the group. So to get that, I need to come to domains, domain, then I'll click on this default. Then under that, by the left, I'm going to see group. So I'm going to click on group, and then I'll click on create group. So the name of the group will be cloud admin, cloud admin team, cloud admin team. And the description for that one will be users with administrator privilege. So the users that will be in this group, they will be the one that will have like the administrator privilege, right? So say cloud admin team, and then I'm just going to click on create. So the cloud admin team has been created. So I'll come back to group, up here, groups, then I'll click on create group. So the name of the next group will be network admin team. Networking admin, or let me just say networking team. The networking team. So users in this group, they will have the privilege to manage the networking resources. So paste users with network privilege in OCI, right? So I'll click on create. Okay, so that has been created. If I come to groups now, you see the network admin and the cloud admin team, right? So the next thing I need to create is the users, right? So I'm going to create the users and assign them to their respective group, right? So I'll click on create user. Then the first user, I'll call the name Sheg John. So we just put, let me just say Sheg at gmail.com. Okay, so I'm going to assign this Sheikh John to the cloud admin team. I'm going to assign to the cloud admin team. I'm going to create. Okay, come back to users. Click on create user, and the next user will be loop loop bomb. Loop bomb. Then the email, let's just say the email is born at gmail.com. Okay, so I'm going to assign Luke Bond to the networking team, right? So I'll create that. Okay, so I have so let me click on users. So I have these two users, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to create a policy, right? So to create a policy. So so I'm going to come back to domain. Under domain, I'll see policy. You see policies. Click on policy. So now I want to create policy, right? So you see that there is, let me go back. Policy. So this was like a default policy. I think this one is for like, yeah, this is just a default policy that came along with when I created my Oracle account. So I'm going to create policy, and then for this policy, I'll just put cloud. I'll just say cloud admin policy. Cloud admin policy. So for this one, I'll just say is like the description will just be the tenancy admin, right? So tenancy admin policy, and so for this one, let's build the policy. Let's build it. So I'm going to choose compartment management. Then let compartment admin manage the compartment, right? And then for the group, just leave it as administrator. Let me see. Yeah. And for the location, it's going to be the root. So for the group, I'm going to choose cloud admin team. So the cloud admin team, they will be able to manage all the resources, right? For them, it's like there's no restriction, right? So, and if you look at the policy statement, it says allow this group, right? So this group, we created this group to manage all resources in the tenancy, right? Which is like the root, right? So they can manage, so all the users in this group, right? I can't remember which user we assigned to this group, cloud admin. I think is maybe John, right? I think is John. So John will be able to manage all resources in, all the resources, right? So let's create this policy. So for this one, we use the policy builder.